Again, Lon VomBaur here with Rocktop Construction. I'm in an unfinished basement, which presents a great opportunity for the owner of this property. One of the great things about it is there's so much open space. A lot of it isn't restricted yet, but there are challenges with venting that forces us to lose headspace with creating soffits. The plumbing and electrical folks that did their stuff in here weren't necessarily thinking about how this is going to turn out as a finished basement. They're doing what was most cost effective at the time. There are places where the electrical is spliced in with junction boxes that we have to put covers on. And there are a few things we have to be creative about space. For instance, right here is the most practical place for the kitchen, and it's not really a big space, but we do have a soffit here that will, or vent that will create a challenge with cabinet space. The refrigerator could fit in here, but we might have to bring it out 8 or 10 inches in order for that. There's could be additional space used below the stairs over here. Configuration for the bathroom and a bedroom there. Space for stackable washer and dryer in the mechanical room. Another bedroom on this end. The dining room would be right about where the camera is, and the living room off to this side. So there's a pretty good configuration we can make for a private entrance basement apartment that could be a useful source of income for the homeowner in this house.